Hello, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I share the simplest ways to live a healthy lifestyle and many untold secrets that can help us live a healthy life. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share the best solution to make the belly fat melt away and control your appetite. Increased belly fat is directly related to high blood pressure, increased cholesterol, diabetes, increased sugar, as well as many other diseases. I first want to talk about the healing medicinal properties of the lemon. It's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which helps the body in multiple ways. It will improve your digestion, as poor digestion is one of the main reasons for gaining fat and weight. Lemon will help the liver function properly, as it secretes the digestive enzymes which help you stay healthy. It's essential for the liver and the digestive system to function properly in order to lose that extra fat from that belly when our digestive system runs slow. It reduces the metabolism of the body, and when digestion is poor, we will gain weight. The citric acid found in lemons will help flush off those toxins that's sticking around within your body, and this will help stabilize any hormonal imbalance that would be affecting your metabolism. Now, chia seeds are a power-packed superfood that can do wonders to help you burn fat. They are loaded with antioxidants that fight the production of free radicals that can damage cells' molecules and contribute to many other diseases. The chia seed is a low-carb friendly food, and almost all the carbs in them are fiber. They are high in quality protein, where they have a good balance of the essential amino acids. These CH seeds are a high quality of protein, much higher than most plant food. Protein is the most weight loss macronutrient and can drastically reduce appetite and cravings. They're also very high in omega-3 fatty acids. Gram for gram, chia seeds contain more omega-3s than salmon, and these CH seeds lowers risks including triglycerides, inflammation, insulin. The best solution to make the belly fat melt away is to add lemon juice, honey and warm water together and drink on the empty stomach before eating in the morning. Both honey and lemons are popular foods typically used to flavor dishes and drinks. Honey is a thick, sweet liquid that is produced by honeybees and some other similar insects, though the type produced by honeybees is the most well-known. It is commonly used as a natural substitute for processed sugar and also has some therapeutic uses, such as treating skin wounds and burns. Lemons are citrus fruits primarily produced for their tart juice. The pulp and rind can be used as well. More health benefits of this tangy fruit come from its high levels of vitamin C and other beneficial plant compounds. It is a common belief that combining these two ingredients in a drink can help with a long list of common ailments, including digestive issues, acne, and weight gain. While honey and lemons have many potential health benefits and useful applications, not all claims about honey lemon water are backed by science. Honey and lemon are popular ingredients that have some health benefits. However, not all health claims about combining honey and lemon are supported by science. I hope you enjoy this video. Try to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.